So let's put the pieces together. The pocket piece and the side panel will make one long strip. Put the right sides together and the bottom edge of the side panel and the top edge of the pocket piece together. Pin and sew along the short edge with a half-inch seam. I used my overcast foot, but you can also use your serger to finish the edge. Press the seam towards the pocket piece and edge stitch. Now put the long strip you made next to the main panel and put the top edge on the same line as the top edge of the main panel and the bottom edge on the same line as the bottom edge. The seam you made will become the top of your pocket, so put that on the height you want the pocket, and all the fabric that is left will be the inside of your pocket. Put the right side of this panel on top of your main panel. Pin the two panels together and follow the 3 steps I mentioned before. So sew together, finish the edges with an overcast foot and top stitch with an edge stitch.